damn.
Back to the house. The direction you gonna end up on and talking about soul shows. So downtown, around town, singing and being happy. So grab your packet. Make it snappy. Let's go do the tappy at the Thomas Soul Show. He said, you can rap. I said, yeah, I can.
Yes, sir. Let me get off the now with these gloves. Let me set my little phone down.
That's what I need to do. I need to get that wrecking box and pull them nails. Everything right here I need. I just all got to do is in a second. I can go get it. All the tools.
Let me do that. Did you ever go check on your meat?
If you might just pull it out with this.
Pull it back this way, kind of. We start towards the back so it can kind of fall back this way.
No, come to the wild. We got to get that stuff out.
Oh, the wild.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, why got it held up. I knew what I was.
See, that's why you built it like that.
I feel like that's gonna be hard. Because I was thinking about this. A little chicken house. I just a top of it. I just wasn't doing nothing but having fun, but it's too late to do that.
Oh, yeah.
Who was that?
That 10 fell over.
Woo!
That worked.
Yeah.
I wonder why that piece is acting like this.
That sucker hard, ain't it?
That was a piece of board under it.
Yeah, okay.
You probably throw this one on top of the shed.
Yeah, I'll put that on top of the shed there. Don't step on no nail. Don't steer it.
Oh, you stopping. I done forgot that fast shoes. Hey, making progress. Little bit after little bit at a time.
You want me to do a thing?
Yeah.
Hold on while you doing it.
If you can't hold it just straight like this. See on the back of it got 2 cameras.
Okay. I can't hold it like that if I want.
You go like that. That's fine.
Okay. So I can get a lot of you like that.
Hey,
What was that? I thought that was a snake.
Shoot the board up.
That stuff's so rotten. Oh boy, it ain't nothing to get that down. That's some mellows we can use. Oh, some of them.
Where you want to stack it like off in a corner or something?
What's that?
The metal and stuff. Like where you want to put it at?
Oh, we're gonna put that over there cause see, I'm gonna save that metal cause most thieves will come. That's a good wood rack too. I forgot that had a wood rack already.
Yeah, I'm so sure.
But I made it on the street now. I'll save that boogie now. These hemp things right here, Trey, I can use these hemp for use for my barbecue pit cause that dude said he gonna make me a great big old pit out of there.
That work?
He said, I'm gonna get, I know a guy got a tell, but you know they all in, he said, there's all kind of people in that church.
Yeah, they do that welding and stuff,
Yeah. He said, I'll fix it up for you. I'll make you have a nice big pit and you can cook like you want right here.
So, hey, shoot.
Mm-hmm.
Thank them for me.
Yeah. I still got your own.
You want about right here?
You know, over there what I'm, yeah. Where I can see it. Watch for the nails too.
Okay, yeah, for sure, for sure. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Appreciate it. My uncle beat y'all uncle up. Tell me, my uncle 75. And get active. Don't worry about it. I got it on me.
I'm gonna keep these because these will be my good rack when I get this thing here fixed.
Oh yeah.
I can use that rack.
And just like that, we're done. Yes, sir. Good little hour on in. It's over with. Finna head to the store. And yeah. Y'all be safe, stay productive, stay corona ready. I got my mask, and I got my blast, so yeah. Stay safe. Peace.